Hey, Mac Lackey, serial entrepreneur, angel investor, and I want to talk to you a little bit today about this notion of risk. It's one of the things as an entrepreneur we hear so often. You guys are just cowboys. You take so much risk. It's crazy. And the reality is, I think the opposite is actually true. If you're sitting in a job, in a cubicle in a tower, a company that employs hundreds of people, thousands of people, 10,000, 100,000, the reality is you do not control your future. As an entrepreneur, we know that there's risk, right? We get up, there are consequences to the actions that we take, but we also control how much we work, how much revenue we generate, the kind of opportunities we can bring to the table, because we can always do more in controlling the upside and the opportunity. If you're working for a large corporation, to some degree, you're at the whim of your boss, the economy, the macroeconomic issues. Think back to 2008 when all sort of risk asset classes converged and everything was a risk. Banks were laying off, insurance companies were laying off. If you're one of those employees, not only did you just lose your job, you're looking for a job in a terrible economy along with a lot of people that look just like you. So my challenge to you is to think differently about risk, because when you control your own upside, your own opportunity, and your own outcomes, you actually are mitigating or reducing your risk. So today, think a little bit differently about risk as an entrepreneur and a founder.